2025, the year that brings back one of the most iconic names in agricultural power, the Big Bud 450/50. A machine that doesn't just plow fields, it dominates them. Built to remind the world what true heavy-duty farming feels like, the Big Bud 450/50 stands as a modern legend reborn. Its sheer presence is enough to silence everything around it. Towering, muscular, and unapologetically massive. This is not your average tractor. This is industrial strength sculpted into motion. The moment you see the Big Bud 450/50, you realize this isn't a vehicle meant to impress. It's meant to perform. The front end stretches wide, sculpted with a flat industrial nose, dual intake grille, and bold branding that glows with confidence. Every panel is designed with rugged steel, giving it a feel of invincibility. Standing next to it feels like standing beside a moving fortress. Its dimensions alone speak the language of pure dominance. Tall, broad, and intimidating, with an unmistakable stance that commands respect in any landscape. Underneath that colossal body sits a 16.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine delivering 450 horsepower. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the torque, the pull, and the relentless push that never seems to end. The engine roars deep and raw, with a bass note that echoes across the open fields. This is the kind of sound that defines power. Steady, confident, and alive. Every revolution feels like the heartbeat of a beast built to outlast generations. Its transmission setup is equally remarkable. A heavy-duty 16-speed power shift that ensures every ounce of torque reaches the ground efficiently. The Big Bud 450/50 doesn't struggle. It glides through even the toughest soil conditions. Whether it's deep plowing, subsoiling, or heavy implement work, it moves with unshakable stability. The 4WD system ensures traction in every scenario, while its massive dual tires dig into the ground like anchors, creating an unbreakable grip. The hydraulic system is a masterpiece of engineering precision. Responsive, robust, and built for versatility. With multiple outlets and immense lifting power, it handles heavy-duty attachments effortlessly. Every lever and control is tuned for precision, giving operators complete command even under high load. The steering, despite the vehicle's size, feels remarkably balanced, a result of intelligent weight distribution and advanced hydraulics that make maneuvering this giant surprisingly smooth. Step inside, and the story transforms from raw muscle to refined comfort. The cabin of the Big Bud 450/50 has evolved far beyond what anyone expected. A spacious interior lined with soft touch materials, ergonomic seating, and advanced controls creates an environment designed for long working hours. The air suspension seat keeps the operator stable even on uneven fields, while the panoramic glass windows provide a full 360-degree field view. Visibility is exceptional, a true advantage when handling large implements or working through dust-filled conditions. The digital instrument panel displays real-time performance data. RPM, torque load, fuel efficiency, and hydraulic pressure, all on a crystal-clear screen. The central infotainment system integrates GPS-based auto steering, field mapping, and adaptive terrain management, helping the operator achieve maximum precision with minimal effort. Every control switch feels industrial yet refined, built for function, tested for endurance. Sound insulation has been heavily improved from the earlier generations of Big Bud. The cabin remains calm and quiet, isolating you from the raw engine thunder outside. A climate control system, adjustable LED lighting, and multiple USB ports make this cabin not just a workspace, but a command center designed for the future of intelligent farming. From the outside, the Big Bud 450/50 looks like a steel monument to power. But the more you look, the more you appreciate its details. The heavy-duty axles, the the reinforced chassis, and the wide rear fenders that shield the massive tires. Every line, every weld, every angle speaks precision. Even the exhaust stack, tall and blackened with a chrome tip, adds a mechanical elegance that complements its brute character. On the field, it's a sight to behold. The engine growls as the wheels sink slightly into the soil. Dust trails rise behind as it pulls massive implements like they're nothing. There's no vibration, no struggle, just a continuous flow of torque and traction. It's like watching controlled chaos, pure mechanical might transformed into graceful movement. The Big Bud 450/50 was made to conquer the Earth.